In the second video, this is part of 5.4, we're going to find out how the plant moves water from the roots all the way up to the leaves through the vascular bundle. So let's find out what that is. The vascular bundle. Our cardiovascular system in humans, right, and animals is made up of veins, arteries, and the organs that pump blood throughout our bodies. Collectively, these deliver oxygen to all of the cells and collect waste products like CO2. In plants, a similar function is performed by the vascular bundle, a system of veins that transports glucose down from the leaves and water up from the roots. Let's highlight. What color do we want? Let's go with pink. Okay. Vascular bundle. Look, there's that definition. A system of veins that transports glucose down from the leaves and water up from the roots. Each bundle of two has veins pumping glucose down and others pumping water up. Even in very tall trees, plants are able to pump water all the way up to the highest leaves and branches, working against the forces of gravity. How are they able to do this? While early land plants were able to soak up water like sponges through osmosis, those that move farther from water sources have evolved to take advantage of capillary action. It's in bold, probably need to highlight that. Okay, capillary action is the still passive ability of water to climb up narrow spaces through the combined effects of cohesion and adhesion. Okay, we did this in outcome 1. I think we reviewed it at some point here. Just as our blood vessels reach all of the cells in our bodies, the vascular bundle in plants stretches from the lowest roots to the highest leaves, ensuring that all cells will receive the water and nutrients they need. Okay? All right, so here we see some leaf veins, some vascular bundles in the leaf. If you ever take a look at celery, they have that stringy stuff. A lot of those are vascular bundles. So let's take a look at these questions. How is the vascular bundle similar to the cardiovascular system in humans? Okay. Well, both the cardiovascular system, well, let's just say both. Both carry nutrients and water around the plant or human body. Oops. It's kind of like a plumbing system, right? How is it different? I think one main thing that, well, some people mentioned in class. So humans have blood in their cardiovascular system. Plants have water and glucose. I think one main difference that comes to mind to me is that plants have two separate tubes, two separate veins that flow in opposite directions. Up, water goes up. This is called xylem. You don't really need to know this, but I'm going to just, for the sake of water goes up in the xylem and glucose comes down through the phloem. Okay, it's kind of a major difference, but basically these veins, right? The veins in the plant go all the way up from the roots all the way up to the plant. So it says add the vascular bundles where you might find them in the plant below. So let's see if we can do this. This is always comical, I know. So let's start at the base since we're okay, so I don't know if I'll do all of it, but it goes all the way through here. Okay, it's going to come out here. All of those leaf veins, those are vascular tissue, right? Got vascular bundles taking the glucose that the leaves make and sending it down. And we also have water being hauled up for photosynthesis to those leaves. Okay, so all of the leaves and the roots, and the lowest roots, vascular bundles go all the way down. Okay, so capillary, these are tubes that flow the entire length of the plant, and capillary action helps them to get all of their nutrients, all of their glucose and water to where they need to be. Okay, kind of get the idea here, right? Okay, so something like that. I'm gonna annoy somebody if I don't fill in all of this. Here we go. So that is the vascular bundle. So that fulfills our C, right? So osmosis, step 1, osmosis. Step 2, capillary action. The vascular bundles are those super narrow tubes. In our cross section up here, you could see okay, got it. These are your vascular bundles, right? This is the xylem, and then the phloem are the small ones over here. Okay. All right. And that's capillary action.